Why does metal additive manufacturing, or AM, matter in industrial manufacturing? The answer is simple. It's a game changer. This cutting-edge technology has become a hotbed of research and development in the industrial manufacturing sector, leading to significant advances in efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and production capabilities. Among the various metal AM technologies available, wire arc additive manufacturing, or WAAM, is emerging as a standout contender. Its unique combination of cost-effectiveness and high efficiency makes it a prime candidate for large-scale industrial production. Metal AM technologies come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. For instance, some systems may excel in precision, while others may be more suited for rapid production. However, WAAM stands apart due to its versatility and scalability. WAAM systems mainly differ in the arc welding machines they use. These variations result in different suitability levels for different raw materials, giving manufacturers a wide range of options to choose from. The technology can be implemented in either a CNC-based system or a robot-based system, each with its distinct advantages and challenges. An essential aspect of the WAAM process is the careful selection and control of technological parameters. These parameters significantly influence the process and the quality of the final product. Monitoring methods are also critical in ensuring the smooth running of the WAAM process and preventing defects such as high residual stress, deformation, porosity, crack, and delamination. WAAM has seen practical applications in various industries, most notably the aerospace industry. For instance, the technology has been used to produce titanium parts for Airbus A350 aircraft and Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft. This application of WAAM technology has been certified by the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, indicating its suitability for initial serial production of aerospace-grade parts for commercial aerospace. However, the journey doesn't stop here. The future of WAAM is teeming with exciting possibilities. One such prospect is the establishment of databases for sorted systems and metals. This will allow for a more tailored approach to AM, with specific rules and operating conditions established for each hardware system and metal material. In summary, metal AM technologies, and WAAM in particular, are revolutionizing the field of industrial manufacturing. Through their unique capabilities and potential for large-scale, cost-effective production, these technologies are paving the way for a new era of efficiency and innovation in the industry.